Hey there, welcome to Popper's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will guide you how to create your first pop-up. Once you are in the app's dashboard, click on Create Your First Pop-up.
After which you will be redirected to another window where you have to set your first pop-up. Start with filling in basic information by giving your pop-up appropriate name and description. Once done, in the next step we will select the type of pop-up. We have 3 pop-up types. In this example I am going for a normal pop-up. In the next step you decide the theme for your pop-up. The app provides 11 different pop-up templates to choose from based on your website needs. Once the template is selected, you can fully customize this pop-up based on your website theme. You can even change the text and images of the pop-up. With Popper, you can even control the time settings of your pop-up. After you are done with this step, you can set the configuration of your pop-up. Here, you can choose the active dates for your pop-up. If you want your pop-up to only appear on specific product or collection, that also can be set within this configuration settings. Once all your required configuration has been set, you can click on Save Settings. Congrats, your new pop-up has been created. Now you can check the preview of your pop-up in your live website. It is super easy to create pop-ups with Popper, and you can even use multiple different themes for all your marketing goals. Thank you for watching the video. For more information or any queries, please contact us at support@anglerfox.com.